Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about a common problem in dogs, vomit white and cough foam. In addition, we will answer some of the most frequent questions related to the subject. First, what is white foam in the vomiting of dogs? The white foam can be saliva mixed with air that swallows while vomiting, or can also be a mixture of bile and stomach acid. The bile is produced by the liver and is released in the small intestine to help the digestion of the fats. However, when the dog vomits, bile can get out of the stomach and mix with its content, causing the appearance of white foam. Now, why do dogs vomit white foam? There are several reasons why a dog can vomit white foam. Some are more serious than others. Next, we will explore some of the most common causes. 1. Gastrointestinal problems. Gastrointestinal problems are one of the most common causes of vomiting in dogs. They can be caused by a variety of reasons, including inadequate food intake, food intolerance, digestive tract obstruction, or the presence of intestinal parasites. 2. Infectious diseases. Like humans, dogs can get sick with viral or bacterial infections that can cause vomiting. If your dog has fever, diarrhea, or lethargy, it is important that you consult a veterinarian immediately. 3. Liver diseases. The liver is responsible for producing bile, so any problem in this organ can cause the appearance of white foam in the vomiting of a dog. 4. Renal diseases. Kidney problems can also cause vomiting in dogs. If your dog is vomiting white foam and is also urinating frequently or has difficulty urinating, you should take it to the veterinarian for an evaluation. 5. Eat herbs. Sometimes, dogs can vomit white foam after eating grass. This is not a cause for concern as long as there are no other symptoms, such as abdominal pain or diarrhea. Now that we know some of the most common causes of vomiting in dogs, we will explore some of the most frequent questions related to this topic. My dog yellow vomits with blood, what should I do? If your dog is vomiting yellow with blood, it is important that you take it to the veterinarian immediately. This can be a sign of a serious illness, such as a gastric ulcer or intestinal obstruction. Why a puppy vomits a lot? Puppies can vomit for several reasons, including inadequate food intake, food intolerance, or the presence of intestinal parasites. They can also have a viral or bacterial disease that causes them vomiting. If your puppy is frequently vomiting, it is important to take it to the veterinarian for an evaluation. What can I give my dog if you are vomiting? First, it is important not to feed or drink your dog for at least a few hours after he has vomited. This will help your stomach calm down. Then, you can give water in small quantities to avoid dehydration. If the vomit persists, it is important to take it to the veterinarian to evaluate it and determine whether any additional treatment is needed. Can I give omeprazole or sucralfate to my dog if you are vomiting? Both medications can be effective in treating vomiting in dogs, but it is important to speak first with your veterinarian before administering any medication to your dog. Your veterinarian may determine the correct dose and evaluate whether it is safe for your dog to take those medications. How can I prevent my dog from vomiting? There are some things you can do to help prevent vomiting in your dog. One of the most important is to make sure you are eating an adequate and quality diet. It is also important to make sure that you are not eating food or objects that can obstruct your digestive tract. Finally, it is important to keep your dog up to date with their regular health exams to detect any early problem. Vomiting in dogs can be caused by a variety of reasons, some more serious than others. If your dog is frequently vomiting or if the vomit contains blood, it is important that you take it to the veterinarian for an evaluation. In addition, it is important to pay attention to your diet and your behavior to detect any early problem. If you have any questions or concern about vomiting in your dog, do not hesitate to consult your veterinarian.